In this video, I'll show you how to change language in Chrome laptop. So what you need to do, if you love to change language in your laptop if you're using Chrome, just open up your browser. It's going to be a straightforward video. So I'm going to open up our browser. I'm going to click on this three dotted icon. I'm going to click on settings. So wait for it to load up. From this option, look down, you're going to be able to see the language option. So click on it. So right now, you can be able to add up as much language as possible from your own preference. So there's just two languages here, English and English. So click on this add language. You can be able to see lots of different languages here, from Chinese, from Croatia, from Danish, all of them. So let me say I want to add up this three. French. I'm going to click on add. So I've added up three languages, Chinese, Danish, and French. So if you love to change it, just click on one. You're going to be able to see display Chrome in this language. So once you click on it, you're going to be able to automatically convert your Chrome English display language to French. So if you found this video helpful, please make sure you like and subscribe.